Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about not this, which is the Telesin Camera Grip, MagSafe compatible camera grip, and is an awesome product. But today I'm going to be talking to you about this. Not just the one that's here, but 4 different filters that Telesin makes that are compatible with its case that comes with the camera grip. So Telesin has really made it their goal to make the absolute best photography and videography accessories for iPhone. And so this camera grip is really excellent. It totally turns your phone into a camera that you can use in so many different ways and better than you could do with just the phone by itself. But when you get this grip, it comes with a special case. And the significance of that case is not so much when you're just using the grip, but it's that case enables you to use the Telesin filters, professional quality filters, to go over the lens of your phone, and it works with all 3 lenses that are on your phone, not just one of them, which is really cool. Now right now I have the UV filter on there, and that's a simple filter. UV filters for digital photography and videography don't serve much of a purpose except to protect the lenses, is really all it does, because UV light doesn't really have much of an effect on digital stuff, but it does protect the lenses. And what I love is it's got this nice magnet design, so it just slides right off just like that. And if you want to put another one on there, and I'm going to put one of the larger circular ones on there, you can see this is a circular one, and it just slides right on there, and they have these magnets built into them so that once they're on and attached, and that's really great. Now this is a CPL filter, circular polarizing light filter, so this is going to help you reduce glare. So if you're filming outside or anywhere where you have harsh lights or surfaces that are going to be reflecting light, then you've got this circular polarizing filter that helps reduce that, and it is adjustable, so you can adjust it to get the amount of glare reduction you need for your situation and get it to be just right. Again, professional, and it works with any of the lenses on the camera, so that's going to help you get rid of that glare. Again, circular polarizing light filter, which is really cool. Another one of the filters that they have is a VND filter. It is similar to this filter in that it is a large circular filter because it is adjustable. It is a variable ND filter with stop 1 to 5. And the variable ND filters, basically an ND filter reduces the amount of light that gets into the lens, and it's great for having smooth motion blur or just being able to work in different lighting situations, but keep the look of what you're filming the same. And so that's the variable ND filter, and again, same thing, it just slips over and then has a ring that is adjustable. And then they also have the 4th filter that they make as of right now is the quarter black pro mist filter. Now this one is not adjustable, this is just a set thing. It's a quarter black pro mist filter. What those filters do, it softens the look of film. A lot of times, especially with digital photography, and our phones are all high quality, super high quality, they're almost too sharp sometimes, and so things don't look as cinematic. So when you use one of those quarter black mist filters, what it does, it helps make things look a little more cinematic. It smooths things out a little bit. It also helps if you're doing close-ups with face and stuff. It helps smooth out the face, remove or hide blemishes a little bit. Just gives things a softer and more cinematic look. So again, all these filters, these are all filters that you can get from Telesin, and as you can see from the demo footage, they make a big difference. And if you want to take your photography, videography to the next level, if you're using your iPhone for filmmaking, then the Telesin grip is amazing for adding to the ability to use your phone that way. But then you add in all these filters that easily attach to the camera case that comes with the grip, And now you can really take things to the next level, because you not only got a great grip that allows you to use your phone professionally and use it in different ways and maneuver it easier, but now you've got these filters that can give you different looks or help you deal with different situations. You know, you're outside, there's glare, you need to reduce the glare. How are you going to do that? Well, now you've got a filter that helps you do that. So the filters are great. I love it. I love the system that Telesin developed, the way they just slide right on, slide right off, but the magnets hold them in place so you don't have to worry about them falling off or anything. Really excellent design, brilliant design, excellent product by Telesin. And if you first get the camera grip with the case, then these filters are definitely an accessory that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.